Posting your Amazon KDP is the beginner. The real challenge is know what to post every day and keep traffic and keep sales. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create 30 days of content. Just use Canva and Claude. Let's get started. Just go to Claude here and I will copy the cover of the book I want to promote, like this kid's story book. I will copy this cover from Amazon and go to Claude AI. I will pass the cover here. Now I will tell Claude AI to create me 30 days of content for Pinterest use to promoting this kid's book. Here the prompts, and I will go back to Amazon KDP to copy the title of this book. Now I will copy the title of this book, copy it, and I will go back to Claude AI. I will pass the title, go back to the description. I copy the description here. I go to Claude AI. I will pass the description and I will tell him to create me 30-day content. Use Canva to promote, to upload it on Pinterest, and I will connect the Canva account with Claude. It's easy to connect it actually. It's just one click. Now I will generate. Now this the 30-day Pinterest content generated in one click. 30 posts, 30 SEO title, 30 the SEO description for Pinterest. It's actually one of the best way to create your content without writing anything manually. Now, when Claude finish that 30 day of content, Pinterest content, I will pass another prompt. I will tell Claude AI to create me 30 Pinterest posts for promoting that kid's storybook. And I use Canva. Now click generate. Now Claude AI will start generating me the Pinterest post of promoting this book using Canva. Here the post generated with Canva. You can edit on this pin post. Just click on it and click use Canva, and you can change anything you want, like color, image, text, anything. This is all the SEO title, SEO description, and here the post. Finish to generate it. Here the post. You can upload it to download it and upload it on Pinterest, and copy the SEO title and SEO description and added Amazon link. Here the another post start generated. Here you can add your Pinterest post. Click edit on Canva, and you can change anything you want. But if you want to create this post, you should to upload it on Pinterest and write SEO title and SEO description manually. For another self-publish, it's automated everything from book and create content from Pinterest, Threads, and Instagram. That's why I recommend to use AI Sales Rocket. This software is specifically for Amazon KDP publisher. Just upload your book, connect your social media account like Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, Facebook, or your blog. Now, the AI Sales Rocket will start generate a content from your book and upload it on all these 7 platforms with link to your Amazon KDP. If you want to start automated your marketing book, start with AI Sales Rocket. The link in the description, and see you the next one.